Hey everybody, I'm Mary and I'm a librarian with the Denver Public Library. I work at the Eugene Field Branch and I'm going to show you my quick and healthy tortilla chips today. So you're going to need raw tortillas. You can get this at any grocery store in the refrigerator section. I've tried this with regular tortillas and it's just not the same. They don't puff up, and you'll see what I mean about the puffing up later. Your seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt and nutritional yeast and water and a sharp knife. So you're going to take your tortilla and I'm going to put a little bit of water, spread it around, and I'm doing this so that the seasonings adhere to the tortilla. So I'm going to sprinkle lots of salt because I'm a salt fiend, and then sprinkle on some nutritional yeast. If you've never used nutritional yeast, it's very healthy. It gives a really nice cheesy flavor. It's a complete protein and has loads of B vitamins. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my knife and cut it like a pizza. I like my slices pretty thin, so I'm going to cut them more than you may normally cut a tortilla, but that's just the way I like them. And then when I'm done with this, I'm going to put them on top of a baking pan and put them in a oven. I use my toaster oven so it doesn't make my house hot, at 350 for 10 minutes. So this is what it turns out to look like. I made 2 batches yesterday and this is all that's left, so you can tell that it's pretty popular in my house. And the great thing about raw tortillas is if you've never used them, they puff up. So this is what it looks like if I hadn't cut my tortilla. So check out the crunch on this. So this is a great healthy snack. It's super with guacamole. It's great at a potluck. And if you don't use all your raw tortillas for this, if you cook them on a skillet for about a minute, they are really yummy with burritos. So I hope you like this recipe. Go to our website, denverlibrary.org, and we literally have thousands of cookbooks. We even have downloadable cookbooks. So check it out, denverlibrary.org, and have a great day.